Today, we're diving deep into what could be Apple's most exciting audio upgrade in years, the AirPods Pro 3. From mind-blowing new features to the rumored release date and unexpected price strategies, we've got all the juicy details you need. Whether you're an audiophile, a casual listener, or just a loyal Apple fan, this is the episode you don't want to miss. So, grab your current AirPods and listen in because the AirPods Pro 3 are about to change the game again. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Before we dive into what's next, let's quickly rewind. The original AirPods Pro, released in 2019, redefined Apple's audio lineup with active noise cancellation and a better fit. Then in 2022, the AirPods Pro 2 took it up a notch with adaptive transparency, the new H2 chip, and improved battery life. But now, Apple is gearing up for the third generation, and it's not just a minor refresh. The AirPods Pro 3 are rumored to be a huge leap forward. Think hardware redesign, smarter internals, AI-based enhancements, and even health tracking capabilities. Based on credible reports from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and supply chain analysts in Asia, the most likely release window is September 2025, aligning with the launch of the iPhone 17 series and Apple Watch Ultra 3. There's even speculation that Apple might preview them at WWDC 2025, but hold a release for their fall keynote. Here's the likely timeline. WWDC Preview, June 2025, Soft Tease. Launch Event, September 10th to 12th, 2025. Pre-orders, September 13th to 15th. Release date, September 20th, 2025, tentative. Now, let's address the question everyone's asking. How much will they cost? The AirPods Pro 2 launched at $249, and Apple rarely changes pricing drastically unless the upgrades are game-changing. But here's the twist. Expected base price, $249. Potential Pro Max version, $299 plus. USB-C only models, no Lightning port, aligns with Apple's USB-C transition. Some reports suggest that Apple might even introduce a light version without active noise cancellation at $199, but that's still speculative. This is big. Apple is reportedly redesigning the AirPods Pro 3 to be smaller, sleeker, and stemless, much like the Beats Studio Buds. This would be the first major redesign of the Pro line and could feature shorter or no stems, more ergonomic in-ear shape, better fit and comfort for workouts, interchangeable ear tips with enhanced seal tech. The design will also likely support IPX5 or better water and dust resistance, making them truly ready for gym, sweat, rain, or even the beach. Yes, you read that right. The AirPods Pro may 3rd become miniature health hubs. According to multiple reports, Apple has been testing the inclusion of health tracking sensors, including body temperature sensors, like on Apple Watch Series 8 Plus, heart rate monitoring, respiratory rate tracking via in-ear detection, motion detection for balance/fall risk. These sensors would allow the AirPods to work seamlessly with Apple Health, Fitness Plus, and even